So what is this? What is this project? This project is nickel plating that didn't go as according to plan. This is a nickel chloride hexahydrate, about 10 grams in 500 in about 350 milliliters of water with a bit of EDTA, 10 grams of EDTA with a bit of this acid. Test solution acid, which contains nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. So I acidified it. Its pH is 1. And I have it. This is a voltage, 5 volts, 2.5 amps, very high current. And I get these results, this yellow coating. I don't know what the yellow coating is, but I'm pretty sure it's partially nickel carbonate or nickel salt coating the copper. And I think that these nickel coatings right here, as you can see right here, this is nickel sheet that's it's impure. I thought it would break down when exposed to voltage, but it doesn't. So I think it's 90% nickel and 5% copper, or a little bit like that. The chemical you could use instead is this: ammonia nickel sulfite. But then you need a higher concentration and you need more acid. I've been doing this, and you can get poor results like this. But I'm trying to get good results, and good results from it. And the thing is, that if I take it and then try to smudge it off, it doesn't freely come off once it's dried. So this is a very good way of coating this yellow pigment to the copper. And I thought this was a failure, but it hasn't become a failure. And maybe I can increase the current a bit to make it work better. This is completely experimental plating with nickel sheets I bought from China from eBay, which I think have a lot of copper in it. Like, it could be 90 or 80% nickel, 20% copper. I have no idea, because I don't know the manufacturing of a sheet. They don't tell you that stuff. You have to be careful, because you're dealing with nickel salts, and they're carcinogenic and bad for the environment and toxic for you. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not touching the solution. And both of these things could work. Or you could have a mixture of them too. 5 grams nickel, 5 grams nickel chloride, 5 grams nickel ammonia sulfite, and then add a few about 5 milliliters of this acid, and then add the EDTA, and it will turn, as you can see down here, it's turning different color. I'm going to turn off the power. Always do that when doing that, and then look what color it turns. And this should, in theory, turn this color green. In fact, let's do that. Let's remove this. Remove the alligator clip. Let that expose to oxygen and moisture. As you can see, it's turned green here. So this will become like this, and like this, like these copper pipes. It's an interesting result, and I think I can get a lot out of it. As you can see, that's disgusting. What color that's turned. I don't think I can use that anymore. I'll have to make a brand new sheet. But this can work very well for what I need it for. Thanks for watching this video.